Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to go through exactly what the UCAT is and make sure to watch the whole video to not miss any key details. I'm Melvin from MedicMind, a second year medical student from Monash University, and if you're interested in the UCAT, medicine and getting into medical school, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel. The University Clinical Aptitude Test, or in other words the UCAT, is an admissions test used by a number of universities in Australia and New Zealand for their applications to their medical, dental and clinical science degrees. Now, aptitude tests have been used for many years across the globe by medical schools to help them in the selection process for future students. Let's talk about the UCAT versus the UMAT. The UCAT ANZ test replaced the old UMAT test from 2019. The UMAT had previously been used as an aptitude test for a number of years, so this was a big change for applicants. The difference between the two tests is explained thoroughly in our blog post linked in the description. This will guide you through the differences as well as the advantages of the new test. If you've sat the UMAT before, don't worry, as the UCAT is testing you on very similar concepts. Is the UCAT ANZ the same as the UCAT UK? The UCAT was originally developed for and used by UK medical schools and has been used there for many years. The UCAT ANZ test remains the same as the UCAT test. The exam has an identical format with the same 5 sections: verbal reasoning, decision-making, quantitative reasoning, abstract reasoning, and situational judgment. There are a number of the same questions and the timings for each section are the same as well. The UCAT ANZ also offers extended versions for the test for candidates that are entitled to extra time due to a documented medical condition or disability. Information about access arrangements can be found in the links in the description. For example, providing 25% extra time with the UCAT SEN, the Special Education's Needs, as well as other access arrangements if required by the student. Moving on to the cost of the UCAT. The costs associated with sitting the UCAT are as follows for the 2022 sitting. $305 for tests taken in Australia and New Zealand, $199 concession fee for Australia only, $380 for tests taken overseas. Please note that additional charges may apply from your bank, as this may be classified as an international transaction, as Pearson VUE is a United States merchant. Please contact your bank for more information about that. Moving on to the UCAT ANZ Timeline. The UCAT ANZ can be sat between 1st of July and 11th of August 2022. The key dates not to be missed are listed in the description. Moving on to UCAT ANZ universities. Taking this test will allow you to apply to some medical degrees in Australia and New Zealand. If you're a graduate considering medical school, you may have already taken the GAMSAT exam instead. Take a look at our UCAT ANZ universities in the links below for more information about the programs requiring you to sit the exam. The UCAT is one of the key stepping stones on your way to becoming a medical student. It's key in helping universities make decisions regarding your application, and therefore it is a major part of the process for many students. It's also one aspect that you can have the most control over. Once you understand the process and the timeline, you can begin to structure your preparation. This ensures that you maximize your test performance and will give you the best possible chance of securing a place at the medical school of your choice. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you learned a thing or two about the UCAT. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and share this with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the MedicMind YouTube channel to never miss a video.